Well, my name is Aina. I'm from Almaty, Kazakhstan. My educational center is Regional Consulting Educational Center of Central Asia Foundation. I've been member of IETFL and once attending one of the courses, seminars and workshops in the UK, I met some people from this field and I was offered to co-work with them, sending people from Kazakhstan to UK. And so that was the start. Well, actually it's very important. Each time we are just trying to expand our portfolio because this is the demand of not but our clients, our customers' demand. Well, actually the most rewarding is when the students finish their studies abroad and they come and just thank us, so I have a lot of such cases, or when they share their success story with us.
Perfect, thank you very much. Thanks.
Thank you very much.